starting the year right this 2020. Hi, I'm Christy and welcome to All About Food. We need 1 cup of soybeans, soak it in water overnight. Drain and wash the pre-soaked soya beans. We need a blender, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of honey or any sweetener that you like, a measuring cup, bamboo spoon, and 3 cups of water. I put 1 cup of water inside the blender and a casserole. Put 1 cup of pre-soaked soya beans inside the blender. Add in water. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract up to 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract if you like. Add 1/4 cup of honey or any sweetener that you like. Pulse it for a few times and blend it in a low speed. Repeat the same process for 5 minutes or until well blended. Put the soya milk in a strainer with the cha or a cheesecloth. Extract as much of soya milk as you can. Put the soya milk in the casserole. Add 1 cup of water and a pinch of salt if you like. Simmer the soya milk for 20 minutes. Let it cool before transferring the soya milk to a glass container. Refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. Enjoy your soya milk. You can make 2 liters of soya milk with 1 cup of soybeans. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button. Have a great day and a great life.